We're now gonna be making honey glazed carrots. So this is a super easy recipe. All you'll need is a cup of honey. Then you'll need 3 tablespoons of either canola oil, olive oil, it doesn't matter. And then lastly, cinnamon to taste, but I hate to say the more the merrier. So add as much as you want. So here what we did was went ahead and just cut up the carrots. And they're roughly about like 2 inches each, basically the size of baby carrots. So if you want to make your life super easy and just buy just a bag of baby carrots, that also works just as well. So, and I went ahead and put it in the Pyrex dish that we'll actually be cooking in, just to not have to clean as much too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix the ingredients. So I'm gonna take the honey and the canola oil and mix them together. And lastly, I will add the cinnamon at the end. So just mixing it to kind of spread evenly around the pan, and then you can either, use your hands as long as they're clean, or you can use, I don't know, a spoon or something to mix it. Just want to make sure that it is even. I want to make sure we don't miss out on any of the good honey here. Okay, so I'm just going to mix it just like, oh, whoops. We lost one, but that's okay. Mix it here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is take the cinnamon and just spread it around. And what I've roughly put is 1-ish tablespoon. So once again, just use my hands to mix it all together. And make sure whenever you're cooking, obviously this one covers up the whole pan, but if you're using maybe a bigger pan, you wanna make sure everything is spread evenly so it leads to even cooking. Now that this dish is ready, I'm gonna clean my hands, wash my hands before putting it in the oven. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to cook the carrots for 30 minutes and at 350 degrees. And we will let it cook on one side for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it over to the other side for the next 15 minutes for even cooking.